Hello dear students, in this video we are going to learn about timeline because timeline is most important thing in editing a video in Camtasia. So we will first learn timeline, then we learn annotation, transitions, behavior and animations, audio effects and more settings. So timeline is basic need to edit anything in Camtasia. So it is very important to learn timeline before learning these all professional editing settings. So we are going to learn timeline. So here is the timeline. The area has been selected of timeline. So what is in timeline? Timeline, there are some settings, there are tracks where you can put your media. So we will import some media to actually get into it. So when I can drag and drop this media to any track, or I can drag it to track number 2, track number 3 and up to 6, 7, 8 and as many I have required. So for example, I have dragged this media into track number 1. So I have some other media to add. For example, this time I am going to use from library icons building, and this is I can right click and add to timeline, or I can use drag and drop to add it. So I have added it track number 2. So the learning point at this time is that you can you can add media to upper track if you want to show uh, the picture or video on the picture or video of track number 1. If for example, if I put this home in track number 1 and video on track number 2, then my uh, this picture is not showing here. So it means the thing I have putted upper side will show on the video. I hope you are understanding this. So if I put this on track number 3, 4 or 5, so it will show upper side of this video. So if you want to show something upper side of video, or uh, or to hide, then you can put it under the track, under the thing you want to add. Or if you put something upper side of video, then you have to add on track number 2 or 3 if your video is on track number 1. So I hope you will understand it. And here is the small icon. Here you can increase the width of tracks. So you can see it is increasing the width of your tracks. So we will not increase the width, so it is good enough. uh, in the upper side of this, here is undo option. You can also use shortcut control plus Z to undo something. If you want to undo, click on this and it will undo your settings. And this is redo the last action. So it will go to the current setting. So here is cut option. You can also use control plus X to cut something. For example, in this video I want to cut from here. So click on this cut, and this section is splitted. So I have cut from here, so this will not show here. So if you want to cut something, just if you want to remove something from the project, you can just select the area you want to cut and click on this cut icon, and your area will be cutted from here. So next is copy. If you select something in the timeline and click on this, it will copy the thing you selected. For example, I select this home and click on copy. It will copy, and I want to paste the copied atom here, so I will click on the next atom, paste. You can also use Ctrl plus C to copy and Ctrl plus V to paste. You can click on paste so that the copied atom is copied here. So next thing is split. If you want to split a piece into pieces, so you can click on this split icon. For example, I have selected this media, and my cursor is on this media, so I can split from here. If I clicked on split, so it will splitted from this piece. So you can see this. If I move this to, you can see the piece is splitted from here. You can easily see this. The piece is splitted. Next thing is zoom and zoom in and zoom out. You can increase this track zoom or zoom out. So here on this timeline there is time of your video. You can also see time here, and you can see time, it is 0004, and the total time of this video is 12 seconds. Here is frame per second of your video. So this was all about timeline. uh, it's a very basic and very important thing to edit videos, because without timeline you can't edit anything.